In this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can find yourself an Amazon promo code. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can find yourself the codes, if you guys are new to our channel, want to hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on for future promo code related videos just like this. So the first thing you want to do is search for coupon follow. Once you search for coupon follow, the first option, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of coupon follow. Over here at the top versus search, you want to click on it and write Amazon. Once you write Amazon, it's going to show you amazon.com. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to display all the promo codes available from Amazon. Now from all of these, choose the one which you like. So make sure to scan through all of them correctly so you guys can choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this one from where I can get $10 off. I can click on show coupon code and it's going to show me the coupon code. Now during the checkout time on amazon.com, I can apply this code and get $10 off from any order I do on Amazon. So that's how we guys can find Amazon promo code. Hit that subscribe to our channel for future videos like this.